In my recent videos, I've been giving you guys affiliate links to the best deals for the Fold 8 Ultra and the Fold 8. But some of you guys have been letting me know that some deals just aren't working. Sometimes discounts are removed, sometimes they're just not showing up in the first place. So I've done some testing and I think I figured out how to fix all of those issues so you can actually get the best deals. And there is actually another incredible deal that's not on Samsung.com that I'll show you guys in a minute as well. But first, let's get pre-order deals working on Samsung.com. I'm going to demonstrate everything with a Fold 8 pre-order, but the process is going to be exactly the same if you're going to be pre-ordering a Fold 8 Ultra or even a Flip 8 instead. The very first thing you need to do is go to your homepage, then swipe up to reveal your applications, and search for the Shop Samsung app. This is likely installed by default, and if you see it here, just long press on it and tap Uninstall. Then tap Uninstall again, and that fixes the first part of the issue. Next, when you tap my affiliate link for the Fold 8 in the description and pinned comment of this video, you're going to be taken to this page. Do not continue to the application. Don't install Shop Samsung. You have to quickly click Continue to Website. But we are still not in the clear. Before selecting anything on this page, you need to tap this profile icon and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to scroll down and start selecting your options. And by the way, if you have AT&T or T-Mobile, it looks like you can get up to $1,900 in bill credits. But obviously that does come with a condition of being locked into a plan for a while. And I believe these include needing to trade in a device as well. So if you don't want to be locked into one of these plans and you still want a great discount, your best option is still going to be the trade-in route. So if you have a trade-in, go ahead and tap yes for the trade-in and select the device you have. Now, if it's a more recent device, the trade-ins are going to be awesome. $1,200 for an S26 Ultra, $1,200 for the Fold 7. Even the Fold 6 and Fold 5 get great discounts. But as you get to older devices like the Fold 4, the trade-in discounts actually aren't that great. Another deal you can stack with these is this $100 off if you use PayPal and the code PayPal100 at checkout, and I'll show you guys where to enter that coupon code in a little bit. But again, that's only if you use PayPal to check out. This next part is very important if you don't want to lose discounts when you get to checkout. Whatever accessories or devices you want to bundle with your Fold 8, you can only tap or select it one time. If you select it, then deselect it. That's often what's triggering discounts to disappear. So instead of clicking on one of these two here, I recommend scrolling further down and tapping Pre-Order Now. Now from this page, you'll still see all of those same products. And just take a quick look through this page and look at all the different products and figure out which ones you want before tapping any of them. And if you're not trading in a device, you'll get an instant $200 credit to use towards all of these different accessories. But if you use my affiliate links in the description and pinned comment, you should get an extra $30 there, so it should read $230. The reason mine doesn't is because I already ordered my Fold 8, and so it won't let me get the discount again. Once you're sure on which devices you want to bundle with your Fold 8, just tap Continue. Then continue to checkout. From here, you tap the PayPal option if you have a PayPal account and want to get that bonus discount. Or if you don't have a PayPal account and you don't want to try to get that discount, you can just tap Continue to checkout. Once you tap the checkout, this next part's very important. If you have a bunch of different devices or accessories that you're bundling with your Fold 8, you may have multiple delivery dates to select. You're going to want to select all of those delivery dates before doing anything else. Once those are all selected, you can scroll all the way down until you get to the coupon section and enter the PayPal coupon code to get that bonus discount. But again, that only works if you're going to be using PayPal to make the purchase. After the coupon's entered, that's when you'll enter your payment information. This is the last thing you're going to do. And once your payment information is submitted, just tap Place Order, and you should have no issues keeping all of your discounts. If you guys have any issues with this at all, definitely let me know in the comments down below, and I'll help out however I can. The next big deal is actually just on Amazon.com, and I'll have affiliate links for these deals down in the description and pinned comment as well. Specifically, you're going to get a $350 gift card with the purchase of either of these devices. And I'd say this is the best deal if you're not going to be trading in a previous device, because while they do have trade-in deals on these devices, they're really not that great. As you can see here, you can only get up to $600 for a trade-in on a Fold 8 Ultra, or $900 if you're trading in for a Fold 8, which is kind of odd because the Fold 8 Ultra is more expensive. I'm not sure why you get less of a deal here. But regardless, if you're trading in, the best deal is still on Samsung.com. And if you're also going to get the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, you can tap this pattern name option and swipe over, and you'll see that you can get 10% off of those if you order them with the phone. That's not the biggest discount, but it's still something. So again, if you guys want to get any of these deals, I'll have them all linked in the description and pinned comment. And since those are affiliate links, it does really help out the channel when you guys use those links. So much so that I couldn't afford to purchase all the products I review on this channel without you guys using those links. So I just want to say a huge thanks to anyone who's ever used my links, because these videos would literally not be possible without you. And if you guys are on the fence between these two devices and you want to see how the Fold 8 compares to the Fold 8 Ultra, you can check out this video here. Or if you want to learn more about the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, you can check out this video instead. And consider subscribing and turning on notifications if you don't want to miss the rest of my foldables and Galaxy Watch coverage. That's it for this Tech-isode. Jesus loves you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.